Finding the courage to change, course corrections. I once heard a story about how rockets are guided to the moon. They are only on course to the target for a small fraction of the journey. It's a tricky thing to try to hit a moving target while also being in motion. So most of the time, the rocket is off course. However, the navigation system makes regular course corrections. It checks the location of the destination and the rocket's current location. Then the system makes a little correction. We see this in action almost every day in our vehicle navigation systems. One wrong turn and recalibrating the route. So it's not a big deal to take a wrong turn. I can still get where I am going. I can put this navigational idea to work in my life. I can set simple goals: happiness, serenity, abundance, fun, ease, loving kindness, whatever I want. I'm going to have to change direction, but I don't always know which direction to go. If I will take the time every day to check in with my internal navigation system, then I will be sure to reach my destination. My higher power will guide me on my path of least resistance. I keep my goals in mind. I check to see where I'm at. I recognize wrong turns and detours. I can calculate new routes from where I'm at right now today. I don't have to go back and start over. I can enjoy the journey of life because I know that I will arrive at my destination. I just have to pay attention to my navigation system and make those little course corrections.